Ever wanted to make a flower pot that makes a statement? Join me today and I'll show you how. I begin today's project by using a silicone mold that is shaped like a lady's figure. I have mixed up some Let's Resin epoxy, and I'll also be using some Let's Resin mica powder in the color gold for our first layer. I will also be adding in some large glitter in the color silver. Viewer tip. Now here I am, spraying all the sides of the mold with the isopropyl alcohol. Then I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to go down inside the mold and rub the alcohol all around where this is a deep mold. I want to make sure this alcohol gets everywhere because I want to get that my big defense against bubbles, because I don't want any bubbles anywhere. And I'm a true believer that this technique works very well as far as eliminating bubbles. I personally believe that just spraying the mold doesn't seem to be enough. Viewer tip. Here I am adding some Elmer's glue to my resin mixture. This will help to keep my glitter suspended and not all sink to the bottom. You only need about 1 drop per ounce for this to work. You do, however, need to mix it in really well. Now that our first layer has cured, it's time to mix up another batch of Let's Resin epoxy to mix in the rest of that silver glitter. And we are going to add glue to this layer as well. Then we're going to finish filling up the mold. Now I would like to apologize, I do not have the footage of me demolding because somehow I lost it, but please stay for pictures and a short video of the finished product. I thank you for joining me today for this video. I've had fun, and I hope you have too.
Thanks for watching. I loved having you here today. If you'd like to see some of the items I make in my videos and more, you can find them in my eBay store. The link is conveniently located right down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. That's how my channel grows. Most of all, please share your own ideas and projects in the YouTube Community tab and on my Facebook page, Happy Place Creations by Connie, so we can all enjoy your creations together. I can't wait to see what you've been working on. I'll see you again soon, right here on the same crafty channel, at the same crafty time. Happy creating!
Look at this amazing resin plant pot in a stylish woman figure. Handmade in the colors gold and silver. You can find this and more in my eBay store, Happy Place Creations by Connie.